Hello friends, so today we have one more exercise. There will be more of this you will find tomorrow and day after tomorrow and so on, but today we have just one, maybe say 7 minutes, 8 minutes. You have got proposal, you have to fill in these blank spaces using this preposition. Some of these prepositions are used for location as well as time. So you have to find that out, and as usual I am going to disappear for 3 minutes today because this is very simple, then I will come back. Okay, wish you best of luck. Hope that it is over, okay? Let's see. Here we have got location, no? So across the bridge, there is no more sorrow. Across. It's a famous line from a Jim Reeves song. Across the bridge, there is no more sorrow. Next one, you can see the building across the road. Across the road. Fix the ladder against the wall. Against the wall. He fell among thieves. He fell among thieves. Who can live among devils? Among devils. Running around. Around the temple. She is working at the library. He will report for duty at so here it is location, here it is time. So you know, in English we have got that generosity of preposition. That is, one preposition can be used for used different contexts. For example, in one you find it is location, the other it is time. Then you have got he is in the room. In the room. He will complete it in a few hours. In. Here one is location, the other is time. The TV is on the table. On the table. He will come on Monday. Same. One it is location and the other it is, you have got the time. On Monday. They are waiting. They are waiting, sorry. They are waiting by the roadside. By the roadside. I will be there by 4 p.m. By 4 p.m. is the end time, so to say, towards the end time. Okay, the target time you can say. So one is for place there. Now by 2021, by that is again a time. Understand? Clear? No doubts? So you have got these propositions. We will go through all the propositions. We have whatever we have done, we will have exercise so that we can revise, and also you can become thorough with the use of prepositions in English by have a nice day.